Hi you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Vivy Mutheu if you are new here. If you are not new, thank you so much for coming back to my channel and for keeping up with my hair situations. So for today's video, I've been doing it's like a sort of a series because I got a couple of ponytails, a couple of hair from Natural Hair Kenya, and I just thought I'd do like a series of videos with all the hair they give me. So today I'm going to be using a drawstring Marley ponytail. This is how it looks. At first when I got this hair, I thought I wanted it a bit thicker, but for what I want to do, I think I'm okay with it being not as thick. It's like if you've bought Marley hair before, it's like the whole pack of Marley divided by 2. Yeah. So yeah, I know it's they're selling it at 1,000 bob, which is reasonably fair because it comes in, it's a drawstring. So as you can see, situation. I'm not wearing my glasses, you guys, so I'm not sure if you're seeing. Please. I hope you are seeing. So I'm going to be doing, I don't want to do the basic ponytail and then add the hair. So I want to do sort of like 2 cornrows and then add this habachin, because I've also been meaning to do what is it called, low pony. So I figured let's try this. Okay, so let's get straight into the video. Also remember to subscribe if you have not yet. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for the support so far. Don't forget to leave a comment for your baby girl over here. Okay, so let's get into this video. I'm going to be using this molding gel. Now at first when I was using this molding gel, when I bought this, I've only used it once in my previous video that I'm linking up there. When I first bought this, I thought, you know, they're telling you that for dreads and whatnot, I thought it would be drying because maximum hold, whatnot, because of the gels I've been using. It's not drying at all. It's godsend. Yani. But let me stop rambling and get straight into this. The molding wax is ideal for when you're doing like small braids and you just want it to look as professional as possible. So yeah. The reason I love this is because it doesn't dry out your hair. I don't know. And it's not as hard as getting the gel out of your hair. This is just perfection. I'm all good. I'm all good. Oh, my nail, my nail, my nail. Okay. Back to business. Let's try this again. Just some pins to secure. Lipstick real quick, alafu final look is done. That's all for the video. So all I did was quick recap. I did some 2 flat twists at the front, 2 flat twists at the front, and then I just attached my drawstring ponytail at the back. Now you don't have to just do this, you can also do sort of a bun situation. Well, so pin it down, of course. I'll pin you down properly. Last. Okay. There we go. So that's all for the video today. I believe this video was short, not too long, not too short, just standard. Thank you so much for watching. Just before I forget, because I always forget, and someone asked me like, why don't you oil your hair in your videos, and I really do. So don't be scared to vizuri. We're going to oil it together. Now I had already oiled, so this is just, please don't forget to oil your hair, baby girls. Please do not forget, it's very, very important. Okay. You can also spray your hair for sheen, for it to smell good once you find a spray that you like. I love the ORS spray, which is also the ORS black castor. So that's all for the video.